Hey y'all, welcome back to your girl channel. If you want to see how I got these cute little curls going on, continue to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one. Get right into it. I know you're like, we can't even see your head, because it's not meant for y'all to see me right now. I look crazy, okay? So, as you can tell by the title though, y'all, I am doing my big bouncy curls using no heat and my favorite Flexirods. So these are the ones I have. So there are different diameters. It's the smallest one. This one, these two are the same diameter, but one is shorter than the other. See, y'all can tell I done had these for a long time. Using just, ooh, I'm sorry y'all, I'm dropping stuff. My Lotta Body, which as you guys know, everything that I will be using today can be found in my store. I will be putting the link, except for this. This is something new that I'm trying out, seeing if it works. But yeah, I will be putting the link to the store as usual in the description box, guys. So let's get right into this. I'm just going to part it off in sections. This wig, remember y'all, is the full lace wig that I have been wearing. I fell in love with this wig. I have not taken it off. I just keep taking it off and restyling it and putting it back on. It has become my new favorite wig, y'all. And I don't even rarely glue it all the way down, to be honest with you guys, like in the back. So when it comes to putting the Lotta Body on there, you don't need a lot, just enough. See, as y'all can see, I'm about out of Lotta Body, so it's coming out sparingly. And I think, yeah, I put a little too much on it, but let me, it's all right. So you just want to get it, make sure it's combed all out, y'all, so you don't have parts in your curl that are all crinkly up or deformed because the hair wasn't straight. So you want to bring it out like this. You're curling it away from your face just like you would with your curling knife. So you put it on here like this. See? And this is what I'm talking about with my Lotta Body. It's not, oh, see, not all of it want to come out right. So just wrap it around. Remember guys, let's say curl away from your face. My rods are a bit old, so they don't fold like they used to. That is just going to be one of my little straight hairs, and just fold it like such, and just keep going around the head. In my case, as you guys can see, my hair is up in a little ponytail. I love this look. I don't know why. I guess because I like how I look with my hair pulled back. And with this look, I don't have to pull it all the way back. And it still looks cute. So now, of course, with this section, because it's more hair, I am going to be using more than one Flexirod. If y'all can't hear me, don't worry, I'll put the captions on. So I'm going to part this into two sections. Put that over there. And honestly, y'all, it doesn't matter. I noticed that it really does not matter which size I use. on which part, even though I usually use the purple on the longest parts, and then this orange one on the others. I see some people use the smaller diameter ones on the top. I've switched it around just to see what it was going to do, and the curl still came out popular. Guys, it's okay if you accidentally use a lot of mousse. It's just going to take a little while longer for your hair to dry, which I'm going to put this, I'm going to blow dry this while these are on here. Because I do not have one of these sit under dryers. No. Listen. Stay it from the middle. I'm going to probably do my ponytail last, y'all. Oh, excuse me. I'm not trying to use a lot of Flexirods. That's why I'm not doing this in small sections. As you guys see, I'm going and what? You see these big old chunks? What the full lace wig looks like. The full lace wigs are available to order. Let's look at that. Scalp, baby, scalp. They are available to order. The website is under construction right now because I'm adding all these new wigs to it. But you can still shop on Facebook as well as Instagram. Just hit the shop button on each of those pages and you'll go right to my wig collection. You'll also see some of the products that I still sell as well. This one I'm probably going to use 3 on. Where's my other clip? I don't know what I did with it. I would have sworn I had it, but okay, whatever. So now I'm using the blue one. This is a bit of a smaller section right here. I can't find all of my orange ones. That's the only reason I actually pulled out the blue, y'all, because typically I only use the blue with my shorter hair. And this particular wig is, I think, 24 inches. Yeah, she's 24. So she's a bit on the long side, y'all. See how pretty the hair is. As you can see, y'all, she's been highlighted a little bit. I just like a pop of color. I'm not a one-dimensional color person. I can't have just black hair. I don't know. It don't sit with me. One man, my wig, the whole purpose of my wig is to look popping. So I need her to be popping. She got to have some color going with it. Now, as y'all are about to see, this is the last orange one I'm probably going to end up using. Because like I said, I can't find my damn oranges for some reason. All the orange ones disappeared. All my other ones, fine. I'll probably look for some of them in a minute. And I know, y'all, that this method is completely old school. Most of us probably haven't used Flexirods in years, months, maybe even years, some of us. I love this because it's heatless and I don't want to damage my hair. Like, as you guys can see, this is some very nice hair. This is the full lace. She is plucked everywhere, y'all. I'm not trying to mess up my hair. I'm in love with this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and see, I got this side done. I'm going to go ahead and finish this one and be back on the scene. Give me a minute. All right, y'all, so I've officially finished the whole head except for the ponytail. Now let's get to the pony. Hey. Oh, don't mind me, y'all. I got this song stuck in my head, and every freaking thing is just gonna ride with it today, okay? Now, with this ponytail, as you can see, it's more hair together, so you want to put a little bit more mousse. Listen, to be honest, as long as you get the hair saturated right, and you understand that it's going to take a little while longer for it to dry, go ahead. The only reason you don't really want to put a lot is because you don't want the hair to get like all sticky. But to be honest, if it's just a wig and you know you finna take it off, girl, do what you need to do to get them curls looking cute, okay? So I'm gonna do two purple like that, and one blue in the middle, of course. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Now remember, on each side, all you're doing is curling away from your face. So just like I did it this way, you wrap it away from your face. There we go. And now for the pony. I know y'all hear my people's fussing in the background. I swear, they always don't start fussing until I'm doing something. And the thing that I love about Lotta Body is if you accidentally use a lot of it, you still, now this one I'm going to wrap this way, away from the face. But yeah, like I was saying, the thing I like about Lotta Body, even if you end up using a lot of their product on your hair, you don't get that heavy, just sticky curl or sticky hair situation going on. It's still smooth, it's still shiny, and you still, as long as you put your layers in right, you still gonna get them bouncy curls. Because that is the key to getting your bouncy curls, outside of making sure you curl it or Flexirod it right. That, and make sure the daggone hair that you use is actually good quality hair. Because if you got some crap hair, y'all, it's not gonna do right. And I'm just being 100 with you. I don't care what you do to it. If it ain't no good hair, it ain't gonna look right at all. See how big my needles is when I be threading these things? Sure. But I am going to let her set. And then I gotta put the sucker on my head. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Be back. So if you guys have not subscribed, all right, y'all, so she is all wrapped up. As you can see, remember this is a full lace unit, so I got all the parting space, baby, all of it. And if you want it, follow me right here on Instagram, right there. I'm gonna put it right there. Or follow me on Facebook right here. And hit the shop button so you can purchase your own full lace wig. If you want it styled, it's always going to either come in the packaging or pre-styled. Pre-styled does take 5 to 7 business days before it ships to you. With the no style, just straight wig in the packaging, of course it's going to always be washed and things of that sort, but without any color, any curls, anything like that, whatever pattern that you get it in, whether it be straight, body wave, loose wave, or deep wave, it'll just come like that. And if you guys have not subscribed to your girl channel by now, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that little red button right there. Click it. Yes, subscribe, y'all. Leave your girl a comment and like this video. Let your girl know how you feel about using Flexirods. When is the last time you Flexiroded your hair? I will see y'all on the next one. Adios.